Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll share our videos commanded by our experts, so let's begin.
If you like, please like, share and subscribe. So let's begin our today's topic. Let's begin.
Imagine feeding a massive prompt into your local AI model and watching the response generate up to 85% faster with zero drop in reasoning quality. That jump in speed comes from DSpark. Developed by DeepSeek and Peking University, it is an open-source speculative decoding framework designed to rewrite how tokens are generated. Today, we are going to deploy this exact framework on your local machine, configuring it to process your prompts at maximum speed. To run this pipeline, you need three things ready to go: a dedicated GPU, Git installed on your system, and an active Hugging Face account. By optimizing the generation process itself rather than shrinking the model weights, you retain the full intelligence of a flagship model while achieving enterprise-grade speeds on consumer hardware. This is the official DeepSpec project page on GitHub. It operates under an MIT license, and it serves as the foundation for our setup. Look near the top right of the repository page. Click the green code button and copy the repository URL to your clipboard. Next, open your local terminal. Type git clone followed by the URL you just copied and hit enter to pull the repository down to your machine. The folder now downloading to your drive contains the core framework along with the official evaluation code and the training workflows used by the researchers. Having this repository locally gives you the necessary infrastructure, but right now it sits inactive. To actually generate text, we need to inject the specific checkpoints engineered to run inside it. Here on the Hugging Face Model Hub, we filtered the search to display DSpark-compatible checkpoints. You can see options for DeepSeek v4 alongside alternative models like Qwen 3 and the Gemma model family. You must select a model family from this specific supported list. Pulling a standard incompatible checkpoint will cause the framework to fail during initialization. Once you've selected your preferred model, download the checkpoint files directly into a new directory on your local machine. This illustrates semi-autoregressive generation. A large parallel processing block links to a smaller sequential node. The parallel block drafts token batches simultaneously, while the sequential module maps exact dependencies, organizing them into a stable logical chain. This completely eliminates accuracy drops of older blind drafting methods. Pulling these specific Hugging Face checkpoints gives you the exact dual-module architecture required to draft large blocks of text accurately, entirely eliminating blind guessing. Looking at the terminal, we now enter the configuration commands. You are linking the DeepSpec folder you cloned earlier directly to the directory paths holding your downloaded Hugging Face weights. The second major innovation is confidence-scheduled verification. A filtering mechanism stamps a probability percentage onto every drafted token, blocking low scores. A hardware-aware prefix scheduler dynamically controls this. If your GPU load spikes, it aggressively truncates verification, passing only the absolute highest scoring tokens. Because the system dynamically restricts what gets verified, your hardware never wastes compute cycles processing tokens that are likely to be rejected anyway. This strict filtering pipeline ensures your local GPU expends power exclusively on highly accurate text, keeping memory bottlenecks clear. Back in the terminal, we execute the final inference script. We fed it a heavily detailed long-form text prompt to test the system. Watch the output. The response text floods the screen at a noticeably faster rate than standard token-by-token generation. This chart compares our output speeds against the older MTP1 baseline. Testing confirms a massive leap. The DeepSeek v4-Pro model clocks in up to 78% faster, and the Flash model achieves a massive speed boost, hitting up to 85%. Seeing the text generate at this velocity validates your local setup. Your machine is successfully running the speculative decoding framework. We focused on how fast a single prompt runs, but the true impact of this framework scales when we look at the system as a whole, creating what the researchers call a throughput explosion. In environments processing high user concurrency, the ability to rapidly clear verified tokens causes aggregated system throughput to spike anywhere from 51% up to 400%. This effectively multiplies the processing capacity of the hardware you already own. You can run significantly more parallel queries without purchasing a single new graphics card. Now that your pipeline is running, try swapping out the DeepSeek weights for Qwen 3 or Gemma using these exact same steps, and drop your local benchmark times in the comments below. By rethinking the exact mechanisms of how tokens are generated and verified, we secure the foundation for local AI that is scalable, highly efficient, and exceptionally fast. If you are running an AI inference pipeline today, your latency just dropped but up to 85%. During periods of high user concurrency, aggregated system throughput increases by as much as 400%. These metrics are achieved without modifying a single underlying model weight and with absolutely zero loss in output quality. This optimization comes from DSpark, an open-source speculative decoding framework launched in June 2026 by DeepSeek in collaboration with Peking University. It is engineered specifically for the flagship DeepSeek V4 Flash and Pro models, replacing the older MTP-1 baseline. Speculative decoding tackles a known hardware limit, memory bandwidth. A smaller draft model proposes a sequence of tokens, and a larger main model verifies them simultaneously, reducing the time spent moving data across GPU memory. To reach these massive throughput spikes, DSpark redesigns the token generation pipeline to eliminate two physical bottlenecks that choke traditional speculative decoding architectures. Generating these throughput gains strictly through inference side optimization allows organizations to scale their serving capacity without the capital-intensive overhead of training new models. The traditional approach to speculative decoding relies on a basic mathematical assumption. Drafting a block of tokens in parallel is inherently faster than generating them sequentially. But generating tokens in a blind parallel structure fails to account for immediate dependencies. It ignores how the individual tokens within that specific block rely on the context of the tokens placed right before them. A draft model generates 5 tokens simultaneously. Without preceding context, prediction quality rapidly degrades further out the sequence. The main verification model accepts the first 2, but rejects the degraded later tokens, forcing the pipeline to roll back. This rejection triggers a secondary, compounding bottleneck in the system, inefficient verification. Standard architectures process verification rigidly. They force the main model to verify every single token proposed by the draft model, regardless of how statistically probable that token is to be correct. This ties up premium GPU compute cycles, evaluating tokens that are mathematically likely to fail. The system traps itself in a cycle of inefficiency, generating long drafts of declining quality, and then consuming expensive compute to verify those inevitable failures. DSpark eliminates the drafting bottleneck through an architectural innovation called Semi-Autoregressive, or Semi-AR generation. This architecture begins with a parallel backbone, where data states flow simultaneously. These channels then converge directly into a lightweight sequential module. Inside, dependency data is transferred token to token, capturing immediate context and enforcing it across the sequence. Transferring this dependency data mathematically anchors the later tokens to the earlier ones, neutralizing the steep drop-off in prediction quality that plagues traditional parallel drafting. Adding a sequential step doesn't slow down the pipeline. The lightweight module's compute overhead is negligible compared to the accuracy gains it secures. By injecting precise sequential logic into a parallel framework, DSpark creates long sequence drafts that survive verification. With draft quality stabilized, DSpark eliminates the compute wasted during the verification phase. Here, a drafted block of tokens is evaluated by the confidence head. It calculates the mathematical probability of each drafted token being accepted by the main model, immediately flagging low probability outputs. D-scores enter a hardware-aware prefix scheduler, which actively monitors the real-time load on the GPU servers. As server load spikes, the scheduler dynamically severs the verification line early, routing compute only to high-probability candidates. During high traffic periods, 0 GPU cycles are spent evaluating tokens that are likely to fail. Compute is no longer a static resource. DSpark allocates GPU power strictly to outputs with high mathematical guarantees, maximizing the efficiency of the existing hardware. Semi-AR generation ensures high-quality long drafts, while scheduled verification removes wasted compute. The compounding effect of these two mechanisms interacting is what drives the 51 to 400% surge in aggregated system throughput. This chart compares offline benchmark data for token acceptance lengths. DSpark outperforms the DFlash architecture by over 16% and clears the Equal3 architecture by over 26%. For a machine learning engineer, an increase in token acceptance length means the system is pushing longer, continuous chains of correct logic per compute cycle than any competing architecture. While heavily optimized for DeepSeek v4, the underlying mathematical architecture is not locked to a single ecosystem. The technique is highly cross-compatible and has already been successfully validated on alternative model families, specifically Qwen 3 and Gemma. DeepSeek has open-sourced the entire DSpark library, the research, and the required checkpoints under the MIT license via the DeepSeek project on GitHub and Hugging Face. This open-source release lowers the barrier to entry, allowing infrastructure teams globally to replicate these 85% speed gains locally on their own hardware. DSpark stands as a practical blueprint for the industry, proving that significantly higher token per second performance is achievable through the software-level orchestration of existing hardware resources.